Hari Om, everyone. Wish you a very happy Navratri. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu Shakti Rupena Samsita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. So Durga ji is whom we worship in these 9 days of Navaratri, and Mother Durga is one who removes all the obstacles in our path. One meaning of Durga is one who removes all the obstacles. Durgati Hariniti Durga. And how does she remove all the obstacles when we pray to the mother? Various things that a jiva goes through, where there is sorrow, suffering at different levels. She empowers the jiva from within, as well as with her grace removes the obstacles from outside also. So what are different types of durgatis that happen in our life? Sadgati means to evolve, Durgati means to go down. So physical level, there is difficulties in terms of right now we all are going through that COVID crisis. There is a scare for the health. Many people have passed on. Many people are going through the sickness. At physical level, there can be disease, there can be pain, there can be poverty, there can be penury, there can be, challenges we are facing. Even economic challenges will be there. War is a situation that one is facing at this moment. Anytime it could happen. So at physical level, various durgatis are there, various challenges and obstacles are there. Many students are not able to study properly, people are not having work, many things the country is going through, the whole world itself is going through. So at such times is when we pray to the mother that please help us. Please help us to overcome these obstacles and challenges. Emotionally, there is anxiety in us. We don't know till when this will last. How will we come out of this? Many careers are at stake. So there is anxiety, there is fear, there are different other challenges at emotional level. There is stress, there is worries. At intellectual level, sometimes there is no clarity that what should we do in life, how should we progress in life, what is the goal of life itself. And at spiritual level, we don't know who we are. So we think of ourselves as the body, mind, intellect. So different levels, there are different challenges which are there. So in Navaratri, we pray and invoke the grace of Mother that, oh Mother, please help us to surmount all these and make our mind like a fort, make our personality like a fort. Durga also means a fort. So please protect us. May our mind, body, intellect become very, very strong like a fort. Now, festival time is a time of great celebration. At the same time, it is a time of invocation where we invoke the grace of the mother. We celebrate through various beautiful ways, through cultural performances, through in Navaratri earlier days, Garba, Ras, Dandiya, so many things used to happen. So we celebrate. So there is invocation, there is celebration, and also there is an expression of our gratitude. Just like Mother Durga's grace we invoke to overcome our challenges, in festival time we should also learn to help others and help them to overcome their challenges. So a few days back, some of you are aware, we launched a program on 2nd October called Maximize Happiness. Our Chinmay mission motto is maximum happiness for maximum people for the maximum time. So Maximize Happiness is a program that we launched where we want to go out and serve, make a difference in our own way, do it as our duty that we have, that we are benefiting so much from the society. We must learn to continuously keep giving, keep sharing. Puja Gurudev taught us producing more than what we consume, giving more than what we take. So in this Maximize Happiness program, what should we do? So we have planned different types of seva. One is the seva where we will do the Annadan seva, where we provide food to the needy across various orphanages, various places where people do need food. One is Annadan seva. Second is Educational scholarships we want to provide to various students, because economic challenges are there. Many people are not able to fund their education also. And now online many things are happening. So people need technology, they need phones, they need laptops. Otherwise online, how will they learn? So educational scholarships we are wanting to provide. Then medical camps, we have been doing regular medical camps in a year where we do cataract surgeries, we do the intraocular lens transplant, multi-diagnostic camps. So now we want to reach it to many more people. So educational, medical, Annadan Seva. Then we have been holding classes like all these Balvihar classes and Yuva Kendra classes, elders classes, all of you are aware of. But we will also be doing specific classes on mental health, because right now mental health, many people go through a lot of mental challenges. So mental health seva, drug awareness programs, transforming Indians to transform India sessions, many of you are aware we have been doing. These sessions we will increase the reach of all these much more, so that at mental level also we are able to serve. At a cultural level, this year our Gita chanting competition is going online, and this year we have removed all the charges. It is a free online competition for everybody, right from the LKG onwards to the elders, different age groups. It's a free competition for everybody. At least about 20 to 25,000 children, we would like them to learn and participate and get rooted, culturally rooted. And spiritual seva, where we conduct talks, programs, camps, workshops in much more effective way, in much reaching out many more people. And also our Chinmay Pradeep that she spoke about in the introduction, the Chinmay Pradeep, the outdoor Vedantic Vision Park. So far, we have kept it closed for the last 6 months. It's an outdoor Vedantic Vision Park where people can understand about the glory of Hindu culture, understand the essence of Bhagavad Gita, the Upanishads, the life of Puja Gurudev, how an agnostic transformed into a believer. So that way, various programs that we have organized, this Chinmay Pradeep right now is going through a complete renovation. It's an outdoor park, and last 4 years we have it has gone through a lot of wear and tear. So right now it's going through a big renovation. So when we open post that, quite a lot of things will be absolutely new. So I invite all of you to please visit as and when possible to our Powai Ashram. So these various types of seva is what we want to do. So I want to share a 1-minute video with you all. So, as we celebrate this Navratri, we invoke the grace of Mother Durga. Let us all also become Durgas who can remove the challenges and difficulties of other people around us. And you can help in this seva. And let us invoke Mother Durga's grace. Let us become Durga and realize our oneness with Durga. May the grace of the Divine Mother be with all of us. Hari Om.